Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video and for spending some minutes with me. Today I want to talk about another chapter of the book Multiple Streams of Income by Robert G. Allen. This chapter is chapter 12 and it talks about network marketing. So for those of you who don't know, basically it's a business that generates income for you 24/7. It's a business that leverages word of mouth advertising, and it's a business that is much cheaper to get started than investing in a franchise because you don't need to rent a space, you don't need to hire any employees, you don't need to ship any products, etc., etc. So in the past, network marketing meant that people had to stockpile lots of products in their garages. That's not the case anymore. With today's technology, you don't even have to, buy any products or ship those products to your customers. So you just use a product that you like, and then you recommend that product to one of your friends and family or to some people that you find. And then you get paid a commission, like a referral fee from the company you bought those products from. And so the more people that buy this product from you, the more money you make. So there are some principles that you need to follow to become successful with network marketing. The first one, you need to select the right product. And what this means is you could, for example, let's suppose that you have a company that sells one particular book and you started reselling this book to some friends and family. Well, once they buy it once, they will not buy it again, right? So now the second thing that you have to consider is how you will get paid. There are different companies with different options out there, but what you want to make sure is that you get paid for the purchases you make for that particular product, but also if you convince any of your friends or family members to also sell that same product to their friends and family, then you also get paid from those secondary sales. And this is very important because very quickly, just by getting a few people who sell your product and they selling the product themselves to some other people, you can make maybe $1,000 or $2,000 on a monthly basis. So you also need to select the right company, and what this means is you have to make sure that the company is stable, that the financials are good. Some of these companies are listed in the stock market, so you can read about them and make sure that they are good companies with good management teams. And it's also a good idea to start small, which means you probably have to first make sure that you can sell this product yourself to a few people, and then that those people, some of them also sell it to some other people, so you get paid for their sales. And then once this is set up and is working for you, then you start accelerating this with maybe some ads so you can incorporate additional sellers in your network. So you basically have to be personally involved in getting and then training maybe the first few customers, because you want to really convince them that this is not only a good product, but also that it may be a good business model for them, so that they then buy the products themselves on a monthly basis, and they convince other people to buy those products on a monthly basis. And so it's a business model that doesn't require you to do a lot of face-to-face meetings, because once you have those 10, 15 people selling for you, then you can just basically sit and wait for the checks to come on a monthly basis. So that's it for this video. There is a bit more information in the book about the network marketing. If you are interested, please buy the book. I will leave a link in the description. I really hope you like the information in this video. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.